Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the Google Docs connector in Makyo. So first, let's start with the Create Document action. We've already connected our credentials. We'll use as title a combination of freeform text plus dynamic data coming from the repeater. And in the content, we'll use some text and some data from the repeater as well, the customer, the amount, and the status. Let's test this. We can see a valid execution, and let's check in Google Docs. We can see that there is indeed a new document with the custom title and content that we just created. So now let's move to update document. We can see here two action nodes. The first one is a read document action. What we'll do here is we'll select the document that was just created. This action can be used if you just need to retrieve the URL or the ID of a document. For instance, if you're looping over multiple documents. In this case, we'll use it to retrieve the ID of the previous document in this update document node, just for the example. So here we can either append the data, meaning add the data at the end of the document, prepend, add the data at the beginning of the document, insert it at a specific place, or replace the whole document with the new data. In this case, we will prepend the data, which is the status, and we will add some line breaks, 2 line breaks, so we have a separation between this data and the rest of our document. Let's test the workflow. It fully executes, and let's check in Google Docs. We can see indeed that the status was added at the beginning of the document, which was the prepend action, and we have 2 line breaks that separate it from the rest of the document. Those are all the actions that you can do using Google Docs in Makyo.